Welcome to the first day of Thanksgiving break. How do you feel?
Good. What do you mean it's the first day?
Today's Monday, there's no school, and I have this on my lap.
Aww.
Wow, it's bright today. Hi, it's me, Dee Dee. I'm off to go pick up cat food and dog food, and then Dad and me are gonna go to Costco to get, I think, a pumpkin pie. Me and Bro made a pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving a couple years ago. The flavor was a mess. It was a little bit dusty, so we're gonna pick up one from Costco, and then me and her are gonna bake like a fruit pie. Today we're gonna do like our Thanksgiving grocery shopping, all the last minute things that we need. Yeah, we'll see you there. It's the spirit of the season, and you're in the car with Dad as he's reading me his Costco to-do list. Let's go to Costco.
Cream, sweet potatoes, pineapple, marshmallows, milk, stuff for breakfast, stuff for lunch, croissants for after, so you
Got
can
it.
check the sandwiches.
Got it, love it, do it. And Dad wanted you to know it's a glorious, beautiful Monday before Thanksgiving. The weather's beautiful and it's actually 75 degrees. And Costco does free air. Thanks, bye. Dad's Costco hack. Go left when you go in the store. Thanksgiving wine. I love white and Dad loves red, so we're gonna get one of each. Couple rotisseries. We got a pumpkin pie and some croissants. I'm not being surrounded by people, so I can say hi. Dad's getting this hummus because hummus is one of Dad's fave things in the world. We're getting some coconut shrimpy, and that's all. Costco done, all thanks to one Dad.
It's what?
Ooh, chicken salad on a croissant. Dad's first lunch on a Christmas plate on Thanksgiving break.
Welcome to the Kenzie and Dee Dee show. We're gonna go on a walk. Dad's over there. Then we're gonna go to the grocery. We're gonna get the things we need to make a pie. What kind of pie are we gonna make?
Cherry.
Yeah, we're gonna make cherry lemon in honor of Lululemon. Okay? See you later.
Did I do that right? I'm gonna stop the camera now with my nose. Dad's here too. He's just busy being sexy with his hair that looks extra dark today. Copper, do you wanna go on a walk? Just a sister, a big sister, walking her little brother and little sister in a cool outfit. It's a blue sky and we have green grass. I don't know that we've ever had green grass in November. I probably already said that. But I mean, look at even the leaves on this tree. Glorious. We're gonna take us an Elfie.
Let's go somewhere far away, as if all I have is you, and I'll be just fine.
Memories of Dad's Christmas past. It is iconic to be missing front teeth at Christmas time, if you're under the age of like 10. This was at the door from my sister, Aunt Katie. You are so cute. Dee Dee Winfrey, the talk show, is coming soon. I cannot wait to test this out. Just Kenzie in front of a beautiful fall tree for fall's giving. Oh, she's giving.
Hey, Dee Dee.
I love eggs. How about you? We're just testing our microphone, so we want to say, in the middle of the night, in our dreams, speak, Dad.
You should see the things we do.
We're about to end our afternoon Thanksgiving week walk, and Dad is finishing it off with what, Dad? Oh,
It's mistletoe.
she's in Sephora. Yeah. We're home and the dogs want to eat, clearly. What do you want? Name them. Name them.
Oh my god.
Name them. Name them. You want your food? Name them. What's the story, Wishbone?
Don't look at it, you're not supposed to.
What's the
pretend like it's not there.
thing you tell?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Do a story. At least Bing Bong and Ding Dong walk to the mall. Let's do the thing again.
Now, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
What's the story, Wishbone?
Okay.
What do you want to tell? Do you have a story for Wishbone?
Yeah, that's good.
We're home and I sat down to do some like VLOGMAS work. And this is what I have happening right now. Welcome to Christmas with Kenzie. Now let's look at some products. Get ready.
First, we have my glow recipe, my Laneige and glow recipe and then my Charlotte Tilbury and my lip glosses.
Wow.
And then Junk Elephant, Laneige, Bubble, Tower 28 spray, Mario spray,
Wow.
toner, face mask, mist, deodorant, eyelash clear, all my lip glosses and blush, and then my other stuff.
Wow.
And then I still there's nail stuff over there.
Wow. That's so great. I love it. Hi everyone. It's Christmas.
Oh man.
Thanksgiving in Dad's
So
kitchen.
pretty.
Oh, it's okay. And we're having taters.
We don't need this.
And I was going to show you something else. Merry Christmas to Charlotte Tilbury and I will have a... Oh, stop. Don't listen to me. Don't listen. How do I work his mouth?
Name them. Name them. Well,
Brother and sister cuddle moments. And finishing the Grinch in my Mickey Mouse glove socks. Thanks. Love ya. This is going to by far be my favorite video I have made of Thanksgiving break. No! Copper! Fine, girl power. Dad, look at your daughters. Isn't that cute? Oh, you are so loving. You love Kenzie. Update, because it got several comments from people saying, respond to those. I called them sponsorships, like on the soccer team, but collaboration, where they like say, sell my diapers, or like talk about how you use
We got a bidet one once. That was fun.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't get it.
So Dad's responding to all of those because let's be honest, I'm never going to do it. So
Thank you very much.
Dad's really. Last night me and Dad had some shot of Bailey's on the rocks, and we started the family time. But we were having one of those moments where every 2 minutes we were pausing the movie to do what, Dad? It was very cute. It was so fun. We didn't go to bed till like 12:30 last night. And there, even though we had to work today, there's just something about school break that feels like you can break all the normal rules. So it's so fun staying awake. Thank you. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. It's like 8:15 and I snuck out of the house while Dad and Kenzie are asleep. I'm Dee Dee. I'm from... I just wanted to say that because I remembered I'm wearing this sweatshirt again 2 days in a row. I just made myself laugh really hard because I drove past a sign by a school and it said yield for pedestrians. But in my mind, I drove by, I read yield for pediatricians, which was fabulous. Hold on one sec. The point of this story, of this video, is that I wanted to surprise the bebes. You know, and it's like Thanksgiving break. There's got to be one parent who wants to like go pick you up something like fun, food-wise. And since Dad loves food so much, I'm gonna go pick them up some chicken from Chick-fil-A, and I'll get something too. So, ooh, look at big turns. So yeah, good morning and happy Thanksgiving Eve. Someone's trying to steal chicken. Literally, this is unheard of. One car in the drive-thru at Chick-fil-A at like 8 something in the morning. Frisco moms must be sleeping in. The canned fruits and veggies. I'm in Target to grab a few little last-minute things we need, like this. Definitely want one of these. Oh, I need more coffee. I think I got the little things that we were missing, and then I just remembered we're gonna go see Wish tonight. Ooh, I'm so excited. Disney movie. It feels like the holidays. So I'm gonna pick up some candy. And check in. It's Tuesday. 2 days to go till Thanksgiving. This is how cute Kenzie looks. She's going over to Ashley's now. We salute you, Dee Dee. It's your midday dad check-in, and look, poof, Dad's here now. We're doing what we always do, okay? We're just going to Bath and Body Works. Nothing new to see here. Dad's first choice. That's the only dad I have on my list. It's from the lesbian movie. Dad and me just like scored at Bath and Body Works. We used all the coupons, and it took it down from $95 to $45, and thanks to the Hannah family, we got all of that stuff with the gift card they sent us. So thank you. We love you so much. Sending the biggest hugs and kisses. And thank you, love you, bye. These were free with like purchase. This was free because I had a reward. This was free if you spent more than $10. And these were each two, or if you bought two, it made them $12.95. So we got like 4 candles for like $45. It's crazy. We had Chick-fil-A for breakfast, so this is lunch. This is the Dee Dee talk show. Dad's coming, and he's gonna come be in the Christmas tree talk show. It's Tuesday night, and it's 5:10, and I thought I should sit down while I put my Nikes on. Dad, are you coming? I'm in my Tinkerbell sweatshirt because we're gonna go see Disney. Oh, wait, I need to stop this. Hold on, I have an idea. Oh wait, Dad, I actually really wanted you to be like Mr. Rogers' friend and like knock on the door and come from over there and then show your sweatshirt. Great. So I'm tying my shoe like Mr. Rogers. I don't have a sweater on. They do have a sweatshirt with Tinkerbell in it. Oh, I wonder if anyone's gonna knock on the door. Oh, it's Mr. Bryan. Get over here, you sexy man. Dad, please show everybody how cute your sweatshirt is. We need all the shots. Turn around. It's so amazing.
Isn't that wonderful?
Are you, I think Vlogmas will be up before this is, so are you liking Vlogmas? 1. And 2, Dad and me are going to go see the Disney movie Wish with Brooke. We're picking her up from her friend's house. Dad, are you excited to see Wish?
So excited.
Now then, we can listen to the soundtrack on the way there.
Yeah.
And have a great day.
It doesn't show signs for stopping.
We're on our way to pick up Bro, but look at the sky. Dad just said, oh my God, the sky's awake. So I'm awake.
So beautiful.
So we have to go and play. It's dinner time before Wish for Dad, because he made a wish for a burger, and we wished that he would get it.
That's yours.
Yum. I know. This is our cheat day. Right, Dee Dee? Because we had Chick-fil-A this morning. Okay, off Dad goes to see the movie. Okay. It's time for Kenzie to make her wish with Dad. I'm scared. Hold on.
No, but wait, this one too. We just got out of Wish, and it was magical. It was wonderful. Kenzie, what'd you think?
It was really cute.
Dee Dee, what'd you think?
You made me cry.
Dee Dee cried. And throughout the entire movie, there's like a million cameos of like characters and other movie references and all kinds of stuff. And every single time I would lean over to Kenzie and I'd be like, that was from Ursula. That was from The Poison Apple. That was, and she would go, I know, I know, I know. We did it, Dee Dee. We did it. The original Disney princess.
Okay.
We are home now. Good girl, Winnie. But Wish was really so perfect. And the whole movie, Dad and I kept nudging each other because Star reminds us of Winnie.